Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to look at Snapchat here yesterday. And I got a couple different reasons. First of all, I still think this is viable. It had a really nice move today after an initial gap down, which you actually like to see. Not the gap down, but the recovery. That's really what we're looking for. So the stock gaps down, as many stocks did, over 3%. But then immediately started rallying. It opened at 74.06. It traded down 4 pennies before rallying up. And so this was really good price action today, and it occurred on almost twice average volume. So this is still working. I put this on. You can see where I added it as an active trade on our list. It's an active trade list that I keep. I give you the rationale, the stocks, the entry, the stop, the exits, all of that kind of stuff at Stock Market Mentor. I hope you'll check that out. But what I want to talk about here is annotating your charts. I do this on all of my trades, where I bought, the day that I bought, and then this is helpful for videos. I can always look in my account and see this too, but I want to see and other people in the membership to see where we bought and then where the stop is. I'll have a tighter stop here. I'll show that here, and this is down about less than 5%, about 5% we'll say. And then I'll also say if you just want a longer term holding period, then you keep one even lower there. So it allows us to kind of have a plan for going forward. Anyway, I like Snapchat. I think that I don't have a Snapchat account and actually don't plan on it. I do have a Facebook account, though I don't know my password, and we only use it for marketing. If you ever see anything on my Facebook account that is from me, it's actually not from me. It's from the company that runs my account. I couldn't care less. Sorry to offend, but that's the truth. Similarly here with Snapchat, but what I do like is the chart. And so I think this is still buyable. Your risk could be a little bit obviously higher than if you'd bought lower in the move here, but you got still a month before earnings, and so I like the way this is trading. I think it works. So okay, look, that's all I got for you now. Again, I invite you to join Stock Market Mentor. I promise you'll trade better. That's it. I don't have any big fancy sales pitch. We're just crushing it over there, and I want you to join the crushing team.